Imagine any place on Earth that you can drive to. Imagine a chef who, together with his team, will prepare classic yet sophisticated dishes that spark the imagination. Just imagine a mobile cooking studio on wheels. Imagine a unique food truck, the largest one in Europe. Imagine a large group of friends, clients, or co-workers that you would like to invite to this place and have a nice time together. Imagine a beautiful place, or why don't you stop imagining it and just think of where to take them? Leave the rest to us. Marathon Food Truck. Simply good taste. emarathon.eu/food truck.